I just got my bags from a motorcycle, and one, it feels so small, and two, it's gross. Well, not too bad for everything I've done with my motorcycle. Niels also cleaned our chain, and I thought it was a black chain, but it's gold because it was just so gross. But almost every day we try to clean it.
But he said it was like new after 10,000 kilometers. He was kind of amazed.
Yes, but your chain is really good, but mine's after England, it's done. I can buy a new one because this is getting pointy. Good morning. I am repacking all my stuff, so it's not too much, but I want to bring less stuff to England. I also have these nice stickers from all the countries we've been. Not all the countries where we were in this sticker package. That's too bad, but I'm glad I've got some travel vibe thingies, and I bought these. I'm going to put this on my motorcycle. My bag is like super melted. It's like I had to put this over. It was just getting a hole in the bottom of my bag. It just looks exactly the same. I broke my thing to put this on my motorcycle, so we're now making a new one because I'm driving with one hand shield for 2 weeks now. And so this hand's like really nice, no wind at all, and here's just a lot of wind and rain. So now we've got the shape. The old thingy is here. How do you call this?
I don't know.
Oh. Well, the old thingy is here.
A metal thingy.
A metal thingy. And this is a new metal thingy. Now we're gonna shape it, and I don't know what we are going to do.
Remove the burrs.
Ah, cool.
I hope.
We fixed it. It was a lot of work, but it is now sitting on my motorcycle again, and now my steer is in balance because it was like really shaking when I was driving because this one was heavier than this side. Good morning! It is day one again from my new trip to England, and I am almost ready to leave. And it was a bit weird because I'm alone and I'm so used to be with Giel together, and now I have to prepare on my own, and I don't have to discuss things with Giel who have to do or I have to do. I think I will be in France around 2 o'clock or something. I'm almost ready to go. I'm so excited. This is my tent. This is extra than my last trip, so everything is quite the same except for the tent. And of course my really nice stickers. And we're back at a gas station where we were 2 months ago, also to fill up our tank, and now I'm here again. I'm driving now for 3 hours and 2 minutes, but I'm now in Belgium, and I just spoke to another motorcyclist and he was like, "What, a woman on a bike? How is this possible?" He was like so impressed. I just arrived here in Calais in France. And I'm so happy I'm here because the wind was so hard, and on the highway it was so much wind, so I'm glad I'm here. And I found my place. It was really hard too because I'm like super bad in reading map. She drew this line. She was like, go so, then here it was like, okay, that's not too bad. But I drove like this, and then this, and then this, and then this, and then a man, and then I was standing here. I thought this was the place. And then a man told me, okay, you should like so, and that's how I drove. And I'm so bad. Doing some groceries for tonight. Some food and something to drink. I just drove here, you know. I just didn't saw the supermarket, so now I had to walk for 15 minutes. I really hope you liked this video about me preparing for my new trip. And if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!